Hi, Advanced Math Kids. I'm going to show you how to get onto Microsoft Teams to the Advanced Math team. It's very similar to just getting onto Microsoft Teams. So if you've done that, which I think most of you have, you can kind of, just just hang in there with me. So I logged into ClassLink, and then I went to something called Microsoft Office 365. 365. And then I clicked on the thing that says Teams, which is right here. Now, for Miss Candleberry, when I click on Teams, this is what happens. I'm going to click Continue to Website. I'm going to log in. Luckily, I'm going to continue to log in. Sure. So here we go. I'm in Microsoft Teams. It's starting. Now, I will say for Miss Candleberry, my Microsoft Teams, it's going to stay like this for a long time because I have a Macintosh computer. So because I have a Mac computer, it never really goes through. This is kind of all I see. And if you are working from a Mac computer, then you need to download Microsoft Teams, which you can do from your class link, as far as I know, and it will you can get into it that way, because right now you can just see right here it says initializing for me. If you have a Windows PC computer, then you don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to close this browser and I'm going to bring up Microsoft Teams, which I click on this. It's going to bring up Microsoft Teams on my computer. You can see Miss Kennery's desktop is crazy. And when I come here, it always shows me the last team I was in. So the last team I was in was Candleberry's Cubs. And so with the Lions. So I'm going to go back and I can click, you can see right here it says all teams. So I can either click all teams or I can just click teams again. So I'm going to click all teams and it's going to take me to this big thing. You can see I've got a lot of different things here. But you'll see one, and yours is going to have less than mine because you have way less classes, hopefully, than Miss Candleberry has. But you'll see one that has a little bar graph that says Advanced Math. So that's what you're going to click on, and it will take you here to your Advanced Math tab. Now, you can see right here, I've got a little message for you about you meeting here on Monday at 1 p.m. So you're going to bring you and the work you've done, which isn't that, it's like 4 questions, okay? Here on Monday at 1 p.m., Wednesday and Friday at 2 p.m. So you're going to bring that work with you. And when you come, Miss Candleberry will have started a meeting. So when I start a meeting, it'll look kind of like this. And Miss Candleberry, hi. I would always I'll click meet now, and then you'll be able to join my meeting. Okay. Hello. It is Sunday. So you'll be able to join my meeting that way. Okay. And I'll be able to see you when you have joined my meeting. Okay. So, and then I'll end it when it's time for us to end. I think this is just the easiest way for us to be able to do the work for this week. Now, that doesn't mean that all this week and next week and the week after we're going to meet 3 times a week. This week we're going to meet, and then maybe if it goes well, next week we might meet once, and the other weeks we might meet once. But this week we need the work you're going to do. It's just easier to do if we can talk about it afterwards. So we're basically going to have a lesson after you do your work. Hopefully that makes sense. So again, you're going to click on, you can either click on all teams, you can come click on teams again, and you're going to look for this bar graph one that says Advanced Math. And that's where you're going to enter when you at around 1 on Monday or 2 on Wednesday and Friday for our lesson. All right, guys, hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, send me a message and let me know, and I'll help you figure it out. Okay, but do it before the meeting that we're going to have. Okay. All right. Bye.